In today's lesson, Trudautaris injuries associated with different physical activities. So there are injuries which are associated with different physical activities. So if you remember, patataura about safety. The reason why we should do our physical activities safely kana kuti tiine ma-safety rules inauye kuda kuavoida injuries. So we now want to look at those particular injuries. Despite the benefits of sport and exercise, injuries can occur. So what are the benefits of sport and exercise? We are also going to look at those, but we see a lot of benefits. Ukagara uchi-exercise, uchi-participate muma-sports, your body will always be fit and healthy. That is also one of the primary, kana kuti main benefits of doing sports and physical activities. It is important to know common injuries and how they happen. And the reason why we should know common injuries and how they happen, it's because we want to avoid them. Saka, injuries can affect bones. That's our first point. So injuries affect bones, joints, ligaments, muscles, and tendons. So injuries anoaffecta mabhonzo, anoaffecta majoints, kureva tikutaura about your wrist, your elbow, your knee pad, for example. Anoaffecta ligaments, muscles, and tendons. So let us look at the common injuries, and these include our number one, muscle pull and strain. Looking at muscle pull and strain occurs when the muscle is overstretched or torn. Sangatari say this picture, shoulder muscle pull and strain. So we have a muscle which has been overstretched, kana kuti it's actually torn. This usually occurs as a result of overuse, fatigue, or improper use. So a muscle pull or strain, tofanga kuziva kuti when and how does it occur. Saka, it occurs when the muscle is overstretched or torn. Todambuka chaiko. This usually occurs as a result of overuse. Saka, you are overusing your muscle to the extent it is overstretched or torn. So we also have to know the causes of muscle pull and strain. Zvikonzero zvemuscle pull and strain ndezvipi? Tiri kudzwa panapa kuti overuse. Saka, overuse of muscles. If you overuse your muscles, nosaka tiine pain. Pain is an indicator kuti you are overusing your muscles. So overusing your muscles can lead to muscle pull and strain, fatigue, and we can also talk about improper use. So I want to give an example. My example would be, mukaenda mugym, munoona kuti simbi dziri categorized in such a way yekuti kana usiri over a certain mass or weight hautenderwi kudzisimudza, kana kuti hautenderwi kudzisimudza to a certain duration of time. What do I mean? Improper use of muscles ndeyekuti uri mugrade 6 asi uruda kujima 50 kgs mende. That will lead to muscle pull and strain, because in that way you overwork yourselves. Ndosaka tikaenda kuzvibhorani, mukoma ndo vanenge vachisunda bhara, iwewe mukomana musikana unenge wakabata kana kuti 5 liters chemvura, iwe haungasundi bhara rine 200 liters yemvura, because that way you would be overworking your muscles. So certain jobs or certain exercises or certain sports, children do not participate because of the risk of overworking or overstretching their muscles, leading to muscle pain and muscle pull and strain. So after we have noticed the causes of muscle pull and strain, strains are most common. So we should know that strains are most common. Where are they most common? In the lower back. Kumsana, that's the lower back. The neck, uro, shoulder, and hamstring. So these are the main places where this is the most occurring or prevailing. Strains can cause pain and limit movement. So the strains cause pain and limit movement. So movement will be limited in this manner. So that is it. If we want to understand it, let us look at this picture. This is the shoulder. Uredi wamuri kuona uwu rukuratidza the concentration of pain. So the muscles here have been torn, cannot overstretched. So kuva red kurwadziwa. Saka zvinozoitika because of muscle pull and strain is there will be a lot of pain, and also you'll be able, there's a limit of movement. Also kwanza kunyatsa kumova ruoko rwako rwakadi zvakanaka. So that's the first injury we were concerned with.